Video 136. Now, when we press the 0 key, we zoom extents. So say we're spamming the 7 key and we lose track of where we are. Where are we, man? I don't know where we are. Well, we can press the 0 key and we'll zoom extent to whatever level pack we last snapped to. Let's look at where that code's coming from. In SexyCam zoom extent, that's where the code's coming from. We need to reset the number of times the hotkey was pressed. What hotkey was it? Well, it was this hotkey. So let's get the button number and put it in this pad number variable. Let's look up the associated hotel, make sure it's between 0 and 8, and then get the hotel X and Y. Oh, guess what? We don't have to do any of this shit, but we already recorded the video for the previous tutorial, so we can't remove it now. What we actually need to do is get the, okay, we do need to get the hotel index, but we just need to get the discrete center point X and Y for that hotel index and set it into the camera's discrete X and Y position. Also, we need to reset the zoom. We need to get the max 0 basis enumeration, and we need to set the 0 basis enumeration here, and that 0 basis enumeration corresponds to the first key press of any given hotkey. This lookup table takes the number of key presses of the SexyCam hotkey and converts it to a 0 basis. And that value should be 1, so we're putting a 1 here and asserting that this should be 1 here. A little bit weird, but that's how I'm doing it. Here's where we're calling that zoom extent function from. Here's a footnote, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a more detailed description, go here. This has been video 136. Like and subscribe.